What is up, guys? So lately I've been getting good deals on Craigslist, but I got this box. Seller was selling this for $200. Got a bunch of random stuff in there. He didn't tell me exactly what was in the box. He just said, the description literally said, box full of computer components for sale, $200 or best off. If you can see that from here, if you can see this, there's a GPU over there. There's a bunch of power supplies, and then there's this computer thing looking here, and then there's this computer right in the front. So I didn't want to waste the guy's time, so I didn't go over the box, like all the stuff, while I was at his spot. So I was like, yeah, I'll just take it. There's a bunch of cool stuff. Hopefully we got a good deal, but I'm gonna start taking stuff out and put it on my desk. So I'm gonna go one by one and just put it on my desk to see what we got. First things first is this one, just right on the top. Looks like a computer, like a mini computer. Alright, so looks like an ITX motherboard with an Intel CPU and cooler. We got some RAM. Got this GPU here. Let's see if I can tell what that is. It's a EVGA GeForce 9800 GT. That's probably really old. Never heard of that model. And it came in this case. It's a Silverstone case, so it's not going to be much use to me. Well, it could still be used, but the panels, I don't see panels in here, so I don't think it comes with the panels though. But it's a nice looking case. Looks like there's no storage or power supply. Where does the power supply go in here? Oh, it's right here. Looks like you can fit a full ATX power supply. That's pretty neat. Let's move to the next item. Put that to the side. Let's see this keyboard here. So we got this Corsair keyboard. Oh, it looks like it's missing a keycap here. The cable's like all in there. All right, get the cable out. Let's see what kind of model. Let's see the model of this keyboard. It's a Corsair K70 Lux RGB keyboard. Cool. Too bad it's missing a keycap, but I'm pretty sure you can buy keycaps. It's a nice keyboard, actually. I'm not a big fan of wired keyboards anymore. I'm using a wireless Lightspeed keyboard from Logitech. I just like less wires on my desk, but this would be cool just to have if it works. Hopefully it works. So Logitech K70 keyboard. Let's put that to the side. And let's see what else we got. I really want to see what that GPU is, so let me take it out. Looks like a Sapphire, so definitely AMD. It's a Sapphire GPU. Let's see if I can find a model number. Sapphire. No model number. Shoot, let's see. The bottom. Oh, right here. It's a Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 580 8GB GDDR5 dual fan. Oh, cool. So it's a 580. What was it again? Yeah, so it's a 580 8GB AMD GPU. I believe these are going for like $40-50 on eBay, probably. I'm guessing the last time I checked they were going for that much. But if this works, that's like almost half of what I paid for all this, and there's still more in there. So we got a GPU, good GPU. I think it's not too bad. 8GB GPU, that's pretty good so far. So does this equal to $100? If it does, then we got a lot extra. All right, let's the cables are gonna be hard, so let me just take out the easy parts. So like this PC case thing over here. Oh wow, this is heavy. Oh. What is this? It's probably an ITX case. Looks really small. It's really heavy. Oh yeah, there's some PC components in there. Let's see the back. It looks like a mini ITX computer, probably built-in power supply. Not 100%. Oh, it's a Razer product. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see if I can find a model on this. Oh, it's probably at the bottom. Oh, this weighs a ton. Oh yeah, it's a model right here. Oh wow. Oh, almost broke the GPU. Let me put that away. Alright, so the model for this, Razer Core V2 external graphics enclosure. Huh. What is that? External graphics enclosure? Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this is. It does look like it's a little bent here. Probably can push it up. But it's Razer products, so probably expensive. Hopefully it works. But yeah, if you guys know what this is, let me know. I will look this up to see what it is exactly, but it's heavy. It's heavy. What is this? Oh, you can move this. Oh wow, I just look at that. You can push it out. What the hell? Okay, let me put this back. I'll mess with this later. That's so cool. Wonder what this is for. Alright, let me put this aside and see what else we got. Alright, so I see a little box over here. Let me get that. Alright, so we got a GeForce GTX SLI HB bridge 4 slot. So this is an SLI bridge. Nice. I don't know if SLI is relevant in 2024, but you know, it's probably worth something. Cool. All right, let's see. Oh, let's actually see if it's in there too. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is in there. Cool. Let's check it out. Nice. Awesome. Hopefully it works. I do have two 1080s. Hopefully that works on this. We'll find out. Alright, let's see what's next. Oh, we got some a headset right here. HyperX. Probably gonna clean these if I want to use them, but how do we power these? I don't know if the cable comes included, but they don't look too bad. Hopefully I can figure out like if the cable's here or if I can buy a cable, test these out, probably give it to one of my brothers or nephews. Just a cool headset. So so HyperX, no model number that I can see. Yeah, let's continue. There are a lot of power supplies. So let me start off with this one. So we got a Corsair RM 550 watt power supply. I wonder if it's a gold rated. Oh, it doesn't say anything. Yeah, I don't know if it's gold rated. Maybe by the color of the name, probably gold. But not 100%. Oh, there it is. Let's see. RM 550 watts. Can't see the rating. Yeah, I don't think I'm seeing it, but probably a gold rated. Not too bad. I don't see any cables for this, so hopefully some of the cables in there are for this. Usually I don't use used power supplies because I don't know the history of the power supplies. A couple years ago I bought a power supply for like 20 bucks. It was like a Thermaltake 750 watt power supply. It was a really old model. I installed it on a computer and it just destroyed my whole computer, and the power supply never turned on. The computer was fried and I just lost that computer. So with these power supplies, I won't be using them on main computers. I'll probably use them like cheaper build. All right, let's take oh, there's another box in here. What is this? Western Digital My Passport, portable storage, password protections, stock portable. Oh, that's probably a different language. 1 terabyte. Wow. All right. So it's a external hard drive. You can back up your files. It's a 1 terabyte. Oh, that's pretty sick. Alright, that's probably worth $60, I think. 1 terabyte hard drive. Western Digital. Not too bad. Alright, let's move on. Let's see this power supply here. Oh, we got a Seasonic. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, this is actually 80 plus gold, so that's good. Seasonic X Series. Is it 850 watt? I don't see the wattage rating, but I'm guessing it's 850 watts. Yeah, so it's right here, 850 watts, 80 plus gold. It is modular, so don't even know if all the cables are in here. You know, it sucks when you get used power supplies. Not all the cables will be included, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you can buy the cables like third party. But that's the second power supply. And so far, that's what we got. Alright, let's try the other power supply. Another modular one. EVGA 450B3, 80 plus bronze. Modular, no cables connected. I don't think there's going to be enough cables for these power supplies, so. Oh, God. Look at that. Can you guys hear this? Yeah. I think this one is not going to be powered on. I'm going to be very careful turning this one on. I'm going to definitely take that off before I try this one. But yeah, we got our third power supply with no cables probably. Alright. Next. Oh, what is this? Ooh, an SSD. Western Digital. Green. 120 gigabyte SATA SSD. Nice. Alright, so we got an SSD. It's probably worth like I don't know, like $13-14. Neat. Got an SSD. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, let's check the other power supply. Alright, so here we got Corsair CX 750 watt power supply. This one is not modular, so it has got all the cables. Nice. No, it looks like the plastic cover came off. Hopefully this can be fixed. So yeah, power supply with all its cables. Hopefully this works. That'll be a nice power supply. Sign. All right, we're almost done. Let's see what we got. We got this mouse. Oh God. That is sticky. What the frick? Oh, that's gross. What the? Oh, I think we can clean this. Definitely use this. What is this? Steel Series Sensei rubber surface. Yeah, this feels gross. But yeah, we got this mouse. That's gross. Oh my God, I should have wore gloves. Alright, I put that mouse to the side. That thing was nasty. Oh look, we got a fan. Looks like a 140 millimeter. What kind of brand is this? Industrial PPC. It's a Noctua fan. Cool, 140 millimeter Noctua fan. A lot of the cases I use don't even need 140 millimeters. They're all 120 millimeters, so I don't even know what I'm going to use this for. But it's nice to have in case, you know, I need it. Nice, let's put that to the side. Let's see what else we got. We got another mouse. This one is not as gross. It's a Logitech. What is this? Logitech G Pro gaming mouse. Oh, nice. Cool, this one's not as gross. We can definitely clean this up and hopefully it works. Put that to the side. Alright, so the rest of the stuff is just random cables that will fit some of these power supplies. I don't even know which one. But yeah, this is all the items. We got a computer, keyboard, Corsair, I think it was a K70. This Razer external GPU enclosure, SLI bridge, SSD, GPU from AMD of 580, 8 gig. HyperX headset, 1 terabyte. My passport hard drive. 4 power supplies that may or may not work. 2 mouse, 1 by Logitech and 1 by SteelSeries. And of course, all these random cables. Box of random tech. Was this a great deal? I don't know. I have to test this computer out. I don't know how I'm gonna test this yet. I don't even know how to use this. It's got USB and Ethernet. Oh, I guess we can power it. And then GPU and then GPU. But how are we connect it to something? I don't know. We got a 480, a 580, so we gotta test that. I will definitely make video of this and see if that works and see what kind of CPU is in there. Keyboard, not that important. If it works or doesn't work, it's fine. SSD doesn't really matter if it works or not. GPU definitely, I want to try that. The terabyte my passport drive is brand new. It's not even opened. You can see it's still sealed. So that's definitely gonna work. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.